What's up, guys? We're back with another 2-Minute Tuesday. This week we're taking a break from the How to Drive series. And we're going to teach you how to use those things right there.
Yeah, we got those Rhino Ramps. They're like race ramps but cheaper and from Walmart.
You get them at Walmart, AutoZone, anywhere basically.
And so we're going to be showing you how to use them on the CT4V Blackwing.
Yep. So step one is to get yourself a pair of Rhino Ramps. So this is what the Rhino Ramp looks like.
They usually come with 4.
Yeah.
Also, one thing to watch out for is that these ones are fine, but some of the other ones, this little like plastic knob sticks out. So when you have it on the ground, it like jiggles back and forth. So my other 2 are like that. So I only really use these 2 because I don't feel like filing them down.
That is fair. But yeah, that's one thing to look out for. So just a quick overview. We got the ramp here.
Yeah.
And you go up, you go up, you go up, and you stop there. Obviously, that's where your wheel stops. So
and you could slowly roll it up until it like hits this thing.
But that's low-key scary.
Don't go too fast. Yeah.
Yeah. Ideally, you'll have another person with you that can spot and tell you when to stop.
Yep.
So you don't just like hit it and keep going, and then you f your car up.
Yeah, it's not good.
Step 2 is to see if they even fit under your car.
That is facts. As you can
this.
see, on my car, they actually do not fit in the front.
Yeah.
Like that is clearly gonna hit right there.
Let me get another angle. So
yeah,
it's
right making
there.
Contact right here.
So, and then what am I trying to... Yeah, it's making contact right there. So a lot of sport cars, or like sport oriented cars, they might not work with these Rhino Ramps.
Yeah.
Because even if we take these and put it to the WRX, they'll do the same thing.
Yeah.
And then his drift car as well, but that's just because it's lowered.
Very true. So we're gonna be showing you reverse because I don't have a lip in the back.
So we're gonna put it in the back tire where there's more clearance. And look at this. Oh yeah, look at all that clearance. Yeah, like at least 2 inches, and that's a lot.
I know, that is a lot. That's
so
like above average.
Step 3 is to take your other one and put it on the tire.
You already know.
So step 4 is to properly align this Rhino Ramp with your wheel.
Yep. So like look at it from behind and make sure you're going in straight because you're gonna be like driving your car up onto it.
Yep.
And then so it's like centered. So there you got some space on the right and on the left.
There you go.
To be able to get back up.
Yeah. So just like that, you're all ready to go. And now all that's left is to hop in the whip. Oh. All right, now that we're in the car now from that GTA 6 looking transition, what you want to do is you want yourself to first put it in reverse.
Yeah, make sure your wheel's straight too.
Oh yeah, make sure your wheel is straight. And then the second person, you kind of just want to come back here and watch this. And what he's going to do is slowly throttle it up onto this ramp.
I got a Manny, so I'm going to be slipping and feathering the gas a little bit, or the clutch, to make sure I go up but not too fast.
Yep.
Right.
So here we go. We'll show you how. So he's going to go up, go up, go up, go up, go up. You're good. And just like that, you're on Rhino Ramps.
Yep.
So yeah, I'm gonna do a little walk around. This is what the car looks like while it's on Rhino Ramps. So yeah, it's kind of angled downward, just like that. But yeah, that is how you get on the Rhino Ramps. Then you get to do whatever you need to do. And then we're gonna show you now how to go off the Rhino Ramp. So what you want to do is you want to put it in the drive.
Yep.
Basically just let it slowly roll back down.
Yeah, keep your foot on the brake to make sure it doesn't come off too fast.
Yep. He just said keep your foot on the brake so it doesn't come off too fast. You guys didn't hear that. And just like that, he's good. So yeah, that's the Rhino Ramp. That wraps up this 2-Minute Tuesday. That's how you use the Rhino Ramps properly. Now you don't have to do that mess if you have something easy to do when jacking up the car. Yeah.
We'll catch you next week or next time.
Yeah, hopefully that car is back in business, and How to Drift Part 1 will be out.
You already know.
Yeah.